So what's up? We're about to do a tour of the apartment. So we're gonna take y'all with us. Shannon fly today. The front is dope. That's a little bit of the front, like the front area. He's so fast.
Hello. Sorry. Pedro. Hello. I always do this to you. I'm sorry. Okay, so they are painting the apartment.
Don't lean on nothing.
Sorry, Pedro. I always do this to you.
This is nice. What y'all think?
Watch your step there.
The kitchen. They doing some work in here, but it's dope. Shannon straight to the balcony. Of course.
Just watch your step.
Oh, look at that view. Ooh, that is beautiful.
See the city.
Yeah.
Sorry, Pedro.
You gotta be careful because there's paint on the wall.
Walk-in shower.
It's a bathroom. Shannon, you gotta take it in there because I can't. I don't smush it.
Sorry, y'all. So this is the bathroom.
Yeah, you record. I can't.
The toilet. Everybody needs that.
Yes. I'm so sorry. We are planning on cleaning it. But yes, this is, if there's a tub in here, this is the master bedroom.
And was it a tub in this bathroom?
No.
Okay. She said there's storage space in here.
Okay. So this is the master bathroom. It has a tub. I'm going fast, y'all. I'm sorry. This is the master bedroom. Look at this view.
This is nice, right?
Yeah.
This is
This the one.
another one?
I can tell you now.
Shannon holler, oh, already. Oh.
Oh.
Washer and dryer's in here, so this is your
The
laundry
storage
room.
space?
This is your actual laundry room in here.
Oh, wow. It's nice. It's a nice room. And cut.
This is the guest bedroom.
I'm liking it already. Ooh. This the guest bedroom. Oh, my. This the guest bedroom? Oh, my. Okay.
Just watch yourself.
That's the view. Oh, my goodness.
So
Yes.
this one is a corner unit.
Shannon almost fell. I didn't get that, y'all. Bathroom. Guest bathroom. She gasping like crazy. Kitchen. That little desk right there. Pantry. Look at Shannon. My baby look happy. I think this one that I'm just saying. Y'all look at this view in the kitchen. This is beyond me.
She said that side is you get the Disney fireworks, the stadium smoke.
Look at this. That's cool. Oh, nah. So we can see Disney fireworks from here?
The what?
We can see Disney fireworks from here?
Yeah, actually, you see that little
This was also almost throwing Shannon down.